Hey guys, today I'm here to show you and review this right here. What is this? It's a big metal casing. It looks like a power bank, right? USB power bank. It's not. This is actually an electronic screwdriver set. It's the Fantikk NEX E1 MAX. I'm going to show you this right now and show you why you're going to want this. So this is the Fantikk NEX E1 MAX. It is a very heavy-duty metal constructed case. And like I said, it looks like a power bank. Right here you have a USB-C port. It also comes with a USB-C cable, but it's not a power bank. This is an electric screwdriver set, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. So right here at this plate, if I push down, notice how this pops out, and you can actually pull out. This is the electric screwdriver. And so what you do is, this is the charging port, and on here you have, you can barely see it, but there's a lock button. You have low, you have high, and you here is the end where we put the tips. There's also a built-in ring light here for jobs, and then this here, you pull this out, and check this out. All kinds of different bits and tools right there. And unlike a lot of other cheaper designs with bits and things where they snap in and sometimes they can fall out, all of these bits are held in by magnets. So they stay in place. You don't have to worry about them falling out when you're moving around. And then it also comes with, you know, I'm not 100% sure what this thing is for, but this little plate thing here. So, but it has all kinds of different bits, long for deep down in holes. It's got, so it's got Phillips, it's got flatheads, you know, you have Allen, you have Star, you even have these specialty tip heads. Look at that. Pretty good. I mean, it is amazing. Almost everything you could need for small electronic projects or screwdriver, you know, needs like that. They're all right here. They all kind of fit here together. And then if we take one of these out, let's just grab one of these long ones, the Phillip head here. Put this in like that. You see the light come on? So right here is the forward and reverse. Right now it's in lock. I'm going to put it on low. And here you have a forward and reverse. And notice the light on. Very, very cool. You can switch it to high and back to lock. And when you're done, you just pull your bit out, put it back in its case. And when you're all done with everything, you slide it back in there. Like so. You slip that in there. Whoops, that's upside down. USB end up. And you just push it down and it all clicks into place. It all hangs in there. And then what you do is you just take your USB-C cable, plug it in, charges your screwdriver, and you can just throw this in anywhere. This is amazing. I work on cameras, electronics, things with small screws all the time. And this is fantastic. One of the best gifts that I've ever got. So that is the Fantikk NEX E1 MAX. I just highly recommend this for any do-it-yourselfer, anybody who uses screwdrivers regularly. You're going to want this. Throw it in your car, throw it in your toolbox. It's going to be there when you need it. Guys, if you've liked this video, if you've liked this set, you can buy this in the link in the description. Go check out my Amazon shop, amazon.com/shop/MikesWorld. And like and subscribe to the channel if you're watching on YouTube. Hit that notification bell, you know, every time a new video goes up. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.